Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello, in this video, I will explain how to upload documents to VFS Global. First, ensure you have completed your online visa application and received your document checklist. Then, log into your VFS Global account using your reference number and email address. Navigate to your application dashboard and find the Upload Documents section. This free self-upload service allows you to submit your supporting documents conveniently from home, saving you time and potential fees at the center. Proper document preparation is crucial for a smooth upload. All your supporting documents should be clear, colored photocopies, ideally scanned as A4 size. Ensure they are in a supported digital format, such as PDF or JPEG, and that each file does not exceed 5 megabytes in size. Remember, physical documents should never be stapled or laminated. Use paper clips if you need to keep pages together. Now, let's walk through the upload process. Carefully refer to your document checklist to identify the correct category for each file. Select the relevant category on the VFS Global portal and then upload your scanned document. After each upload, utilize the preview option to ensure the document is perfectly clear and readable. This step helps prevent any issues with your application due to poor image quality. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all your uploaded documents. Verify that every required item from your checklist has been submitted and that each file is clear, legible, and placed in the correct category. Once you are confident, click the Save and Upload button to complete your online submission. You can typically upload documents until the day before your biometrics appointment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.